I'm Mike Rosem. I'm the Director of Sales Planning and Operations, and I'm based here in World Headquarters in Buffalo, New York. I think the thing that ultimately made me commit to Riches was the consistency that I saw in careers. It says a lot about a company when people want to stay in their jobs and stay with the same company for that amount of time. It's very rare these days. One of the first things I heard when I started with the organization was always do what's right. For our customers, for other associates, for yourself. And I think that sense of doing what's right to deliver what we call the rich experience is something that probably comes from being a family-owned business. The most rewarding thing about my job probably is I get to work with two great teams. I've got the sales planning team, and then I do a lot of collaboration with our IS department. These two teams are actually working towards the same objective. Just this constant improvement that's going on between those two groups, and just working with these incredible people. I think the experience here in the building it's far better than anything I imagined. One of my favorite things every morning when it's real early and no one else is around is this wall of pictures going back into the company history. And there's probably a little something inside my head that goes, maybe we'll build something someday and contribute enough to be included in one of those pictures. Dream big and anything is possible.